next point.
They do not usually offer functions for aggregation.
That's a summary.
That's bullshit.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
That's bullshit.
This point, it is here as a disadvantage, but the reality is that we will see later on when it says aggregation functions. What do you think it means?
Admin data?
Append.
Yes.
Admin data, modify existing data, it's not
Yes.
that quite right.
Yes, exactly. But in reality, it does have that, because what it's saying here is that sometimes to add one line, you need to recreate the document, but it's not true. There are
At least you modify the document.
there are ways to do updates that allow you to insert a node in an XML file that you have in one of these collections, or modify a node, or even delete the node without having to reload the entire XML file.
Yeah.
So this one,
But
it is
if
here, but
you have stored a document inside the database, maybe what it says is that if you want to append a line to that document that
Yes.
is inside the database, you can't append it. You have to re-upload.
recreate the whole thing.
Yeah, re-upload the document, but with a new line.
Maybe in some cases, but we will see, because one of the things we will do is look at how to modify an XML file. And as far as I can see, there is one command which is update, and then that allows you to insert in an XML document without having to rebuild it. So that's why I'm a bit surprised about this one.